In this video, we're going to show you how to install headlights on your Ford Mustang located on the front side of your vehicle. Once you have your hood open, on the top side here, you're going to find these two locking pins. We're going to use a trim tool here. I'm going to get underneath and just gently work those slider clips up. Now at this point here, we're going to pull our headlight forward. On the turn signal area here, or the marker light, there's going to be two metal pins that go into the fender. So we want to gently go ahead and pull this out, dislodging the pins from the fender area. Now we want to separate the harness from the light bulbs on the back side. On our side marker light, you want to go ahead and separate the connector there. There's a little tab on the top and the bottom side. I'm going to use a small pick and get into that little tab and put a little bit of pressure on that harness. And you can see the upper tab have a little gap on it. Once you open up that tab and go on the bottom side and release the bottom one, and pop this out. Now those tabs are these right here that you're gently going to get behind. You don't want to break these off, so just use a small pick and gently apply some upward pressure to dislodge that. On our headlight bulb, the connector has two little tabs on the top. Once again, use your pick. You can use some upward pressure, releasing those tabs, and pop the connector out of the back. At this point here, you can separate the entire headlight from the vehicle. We're going to reuse our corner marker light here. Grab that bulb and turn that counterclockwise and pull it out. We're going to remove our little plug right here, or port cover. Grab your bulb, line that up. Now these tabs, when you're installing this here, there are 3 locking tabs and they're different sizes. They're only going to go in one way, and then turn it clockwise until it locks into place. Let's go ahead and line this up and install our bulb connectors. Take the harness for the upper light, line that up with the bulb, and press it in. You're going to hear and feel it snap into place. And then grab your corner harness here. Just line that up with the bulb and press it in. Now installing this here, there are 2 pins that go into the fender area, or the header panel. So we'll go ahead and slide this back into place and line up those pins. Once you have those pins lined up, we're going to push evenly on the headlamp straight back. And those will pop into place. And on the back side of the headlamp, our locking keys are going to slip into the brackets. You want to make sure that the notch side is facing the inside and that the top of the tab is facing out towards the front of the vehicle. Get that into place. You might have to apply a little bit of inward pressure on that headlamp assembly, and then go ahead and tap these down and in. Go ahead and work those down into place. Once you have that locking tab in place, go ahead and install the other one here. At this point here, your headlamp is installed. You want to repeat for the driver's side. Be sure to test your headlights before you hit the road. And at that point there, you're all set.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now, turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.